Hello everyone, welcome back to NOSET with Jaspreet. This video is about the cranial nerves. So if we talk about the cranial nerves, there are total 12 pair of cranial nerves which are originating from the brain stem, right? So the first cranial nerve is olfactory. Olfactory nerve is a sensory nerve that functions for the sense of olfaction. Olfaction means the sense of smell, right? And if this nerve is not functioning properly, the disorder associated is anosmia, which is loss of sensation of smell, right? This is about the olfactory nerve, which is the first cranial nerve. Number 2 we have is optic. Second cranial nerve हमारे पास होती है, which is optic cranial nerve, which will give the visual sensation, and the disorder associated is blindness, right? अगर ये nerve damage होती है, the person is likely to suffer from blindness. Third is oculomotor. As the name suggests, it has some motor function to play. So कौन सा motor function it will play? That is, it is responsible for the eyeball movements and it will supply the levator palpebrae muscle. And levator palpebrae muscle का क्या काम होता है? To open and close the eyelids, right? So हमारे oculomotor जो हमारी third cranial nerve है, it serves two functions. पहला हमारी eyeball की movement को regulate करता है, and second is it will control the supply to the levator palpebrae muscle, right? So इससे दो disorders arise करते हैं, right? If this function is affected, the person is likely to suffer from squint, and if the supply to the levator palpebrae muscle gets affected, the person is likely to suffer from ptosis. I hope you are familiar with these two terms. What is squint and what is ptosis? So these are the two disorders that are associated if the oculomotor nerve is affected, right? Next cranial nerve we have is the trochlear nerve. Trochlear nerve के बारे में one thing you need to memorize is that it is the smallest cranial nerve that will supply the superior oblique muscle of the eye, right? That will supply the superior oblique muscles of the eye. Next thing is trigeminal, which is the fifth cranial nerve. अभी तक हमने पढ़ी है olfactory, optic, oculomotor, trochlear. Now fifth is the trigeminal nerve, right? Trigeminal nerve is the largest nerve which has got three branches, and you need to know the names of those three branches, which is ophthalmic, maxillary and mandibulary. ये तीन branches किसकी हैं? हमारी trigeminal nerve की है. And second thing is that it is the largest cranial nerve. Now what are the disorders that are associated with the trigeminal nerve? It is trigeminal neuralgia. And trigeminal neuralgia के बारे में one more important thing is that the drug of choice for trigeminal neuralgia is carbamazepine, right? I hope this is clear. These are the first 5 cranial nerves which we have discussed up till now, which is olfactory, optic, oculomotor, trochlear and trigeminal, right? Moving on to the next, we have abducens muscle, abducens cranial nerve, which will supply the lateral rectal muscle of the eye. Lateral rectus muscle of the eye को कौन supply कर रहा है? Abducens nerve. And the disorder which is associated with the loss of this cranial nerve is squint, right? Facial nerve के बारे में if we talk about, one thing you need to know is that it is going to supply the anterior 2/3 of the tongue, right? Plus it will give the facial expressions. और अगर ये cranial nerve affect होती है, the person is likely to suffer from facial palsy, which is the paralysis of the facial muscles, right? कि उसके expressions may be less like expressive, and the patient may also suffer from drooping of face from either side, right? Next is the vestibulocochlear nerve. Vestibulocochlear nerve का other name होता है acoustic nerve, right? It is responsible for balance as well as hearing. जो हमारे ear के function होते हैं, which is balance and hearing, ये उसके लिए responsible होती है. And if you talk about the next cranial nerve, which is glossopharyngeal nerve, glossopharyngeal nerve को अगर हम दो parts में break करें, if we talk about gloss, it is responsible for the nerve supply to the posterior 1/3 of the tongue, and pharyngeal is responsible for the gag reflex. ठीक है, तो दो चीजें you need to memorize. जो tongue का anterior 2/3 है, वो हमारी facial nerve supply करती है, and tongue का posterior 1/3 is supplied by the glossopharyngeal nerve. ठीक है, ये दो चीजें you have to differentiate. ये दोनों ही nerves एंटीरियर और पोस्टीरियर पार्ट को सप्लाई करेंगे किसके? टंग के. बट एंटीरियर 2/3 इज सप्लाइड बाय द facial nerve and the posterior 1/3 is supplied by the glossopharyngeal nerve, right? Next we have is vagus nerve. वेगस नर्व हमारी लॉन्गेस्ट नर्व होती है विद द पैरासिम्पथेटिक नर्व सप्लाई। तो जो भी हमारा पैरासिम्पथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम का फंक्शन होता है, इट इज बीइंग सर्व्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ वेगस नर्व एंड इट इज द लॉन्गेस्ट नर्व, राइट। नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज द एक्सेसरी नर्व. Accessory nerve is responsible to supply the accessory muscles of respiration, right? We have three accessory muscles of respiration. Number one is scalene, number two trapezius, and third is sternocleidomastoid. ये तीनों muscles को कौन supply कर रहा है? It is the accessory nerve, right? And the last cranial nerve which we have is the hypoglossal. Hypoglossal nerve होती है, it is responsible for the movement of the tongue. ये टंग के मूवमेंट के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होती है. सो वी नीड टू मेमोराइज द क्रेनियल नर्व्स इन द सीक्वेंस. नंबर 2 with the functions, and third the disorders associated with those particular cranial nerves, right? And the last thing which is very important as a part of this topic is that जो हमारी 1, 2 and 8th nerve है which is sensory, ये completely sensory nerve होती है. First is olfactory, second is optic and eighth is acoustic. ये तीनों हमारी sense of smell, vision and hearing के लिए responsible है and they are completely sensory nerves, right? उसके बाद आती है हमारे पास motor. Motor में हमारे पास आती है 3rd, 4th, 6th, 11 and 12, right? ये कौन सी nerves हैं? ये are motor nerves. And if we talk about mixed का मतलब ये है it has some sensory and some motor function to play, that is cranial nerve 5, 7, 9 and 10, right? So this also you need to memorize कि कौन सी completely sensory nerve है, कौन सी mixed है, कौन सी alone is the motor nerve, right? I hope this video was informational. Subscribe for more. Thank you.